Chicken is the backbone of many family dinners, but roasting the whole bird might seem a little intimidating. The kitchen pros swear by this technique. It's a chicken roasting method on how to get more flavor in less time. Kennedy Chugg is ready to teach us how. It's great to meet you. Great to have you.
Thank you for having me.
This is called spatchcocking.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
Now, why, not to play devil's advocate out of the gate,
worries.
but why might I do this instead of buying, like, I don't know, a Costco rotisserie chicken?
Those are great. This is still a super cheap way to get, well, I think crispier skin, because you don't know how long those are sitting in the bag under the lights.
True.
So you can get fresh, crispy skin, juicy. It really doesn't take much time or effort. And it's always great if you were gonna drop this over at somebody's house or just serve it at home for a quick, easy dinner. And
you point out you can control the flavor too.
Yes, yep. So today we're doing kind of like a springtime lemony chicken.
Yum.
Sometimes you just get whatever's left on the counter when you go to the store.
All right, I am your eager student, Kennedy. Where do we start?
Okay, so we are gonna start off by spatchcocking the bird. This is a little bit of a hands-on technique, so we're gonna get down and dirty.
She said, I'm getting in there. I said, you go, you go.
So we're gonna start by just placing the bird breast side down, and I'm just gonna throw on a glove.
Up.
Yes.
This is where you can't be afraid of the protein.
No,
you just gotta get in there, right?
Yes, 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 yes. So we are gonna start, if you look at the spine, you can kind of see where it connects to the thigh bone.
Right.
And we are just gonna take our scissors.
Okay, here it comes, surgery.
Yes, here it comes. And you are just going to snip away.
Whew.
I know. Just pretend you're at the chiropractor.
That's something nobody, I think, has said in the kitchen before.
Yeah,
and I love you for it.
It's a Studio 5 first.
I love it.
And since I'm a righty, I just flip the whole bird around.
Okay.
And we're going to do the same thing, but backwards.
Okay, got it.
So I know this looks a little bit gory, but trust me, Brooke, if I can do this, you can too.
I am so grateful for the confidence and the demonstration. This is the breastbone we're taking out?
This is the spine.
The spine.
Yep, so.
Not to get personal, but.
Yep. It's all technical.
Yeah.
All fun.
Listen, TV isn't always pretty. Sometimes we've got to show a sister how it's done.
Yep. And this makes really great stocks, gravies, stuff like this.
Good.
So save that for later if you want. And then we're just going to flip it around.
Okay.
And we are going to go to the chiropractor one more time.
Okay, I've been warned.
So we want to essentially just crack the breastbone right here. And so the reason we're doing this, one second.
Go, girl. Okay, watch that cute satin dress.
The reason we're doing this is to flatten the meat out. So this is gonna be juicier than your typical rotisserie chicken.
Okay.
And we're really just increasing this.
Keep going.
Chicken on the run.
Keep going. Shake it. What were we saying earlier? Shake it off.
Yeah, shake it off.
Okay.
Dance it out.
We were doing a little T-Swift party in the kitchen earlier.
That's right. So we are increasing the skin and the surface area. So it's gonna really create that crispier layer.
No, this is great.
So we're gonna make a compound butter really quick. And a compound butter is just a fancy way of saying butter with stuff in it.
Yep, okay, good.
So I've got some herbs and some lemon zest.
So this is where the flavor comes in. You can play, you can control, you can adapt, change.
Yep, and spatchcocking really is great for all different types of poultry. I did my Thanksgiving turkey this way, and it was great. We did Cajun garlic.
Ooh, that was your Thanksgiving dinner?
Yes, yes, so good.
So softened butter, and then, sorry, you put in there lemon.
Thyme. Rosemary, and then I just did some herbs, and you can kind of customize this, like I said earlier, to however you want. Okay. We did some lemon pepper, paprika, garlic powder. Yeah. And then we're just gonna coat it.
Yep.
You're already
in there while you're doing that. Yeah, you're already in there, so why not just keep going?
That's right.
Okay, so we smother it with the butter.
Yep.
And then where do we go from there?
I like to do a tray of veggies just underneath it, and you can kind of do the same thing, add the butter.
Okay, look at you.
Get in there, get messy.
I like you more and more.
You know,
you're not afraid to get it done.
Everyone leaves the meat to the men, and it's honestly kind of fun to do it ourselves.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So we're gonna get everything coated in that herb butter.
Okay.
Pop our chicken over.
Goodbye, birdie.
Lay it nice and pretty. We want her looking like a model.
What are our baking instructions, cooking instructions?
So one of the benefits of spatchcocking is this is gonna take a lot less time than your typical whole cavity chicken. Okay. Since it's flat, I like to do about 400 degrees, and it only takes about an hour. So if you're doing like a turkey, you're gonna save literally hours of time.
Great. Yep. Okay, we'll put it in there. The kitchen will start to smell amazing. It will come out looking like this, and dinner is done.
Yes.
Fantastic.
Yep.
You know that scene on Julie and Julia where she's trying to debone the duck, and she approaches it with a knife and says, "And now." That's what I felt like just happened between you and me. I mean, more you than me, but I was cheering you on.
A Studio 5 first. We love it.
Thank you so much. Where can we get more recipes and food inspiration from you?
I have tons of easier than this and affordable recipes all over my Instagram and TikTok at just Kennedy Chugg.
Kennedy Chugg. Give her a follow. We'll link you over from our website as well for an easy connection point. I'm proud of you. Good job.
Thank you.
I will be trying this too.
You know, you were great.
I feel support. I was support. I was your emotional support animal.
That.
Yeah, it's fine. Great to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Go to our website to link over to her Instagram and TikTok too.